Okay, Tony, we have speed. In 3, 2, 1. And you are live.
How are you? Glad you're here. We're live from the Aerial Northwest Studios on the beautiful Oregon coast. Welcome back to Drone Pilot MBA, the video sessions where we break down real business strategies to help us all fly better and to make more money. Today, we're going to ascend into a topic that all too many drone pilots overlook or are totally aware of, and that's how to win over drone clients. And right now, we're going to break it down into 3 easy-to-grasp key strategies that will make the process straight and simple for you. But first, I want to ask you something. How often do you find yourself pitching to a potential client only to realize you've missed the mark on their actual goals, their most pressing problems, or their most essential needs? It happens to the best of us, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid that quagmire. We'll explore how to do your homework, define your prospect's core needs, and create the perfect pitch that closes the deal. Before we take off, I've got something special for you. I put together a step-by-step article to help you identify your client's needs and craft that perfect pitch. And you'll find that link in the show liner notes, so be sure to grab it once we wrap. The truth is that winning over clients is not exclusively about flying the best drone or offering the coolest shots. It's about accurately understanding every prospect and then aligning with their needs and showing them you've got the exact solution they're looking for. Here now, the 3 strategies for winning over your drone clients. You've probably heard the saying, fools rush in. But when it comes to selling, rushing in without preparation will always be a monumental mistake. To truly win over your clients, you must always put in the effort to do your homework first. Never simply assume you know precisely what the client needs. I mean, how silly would it be to jump into a pitch without first knowing what the heck the prospect really wants? I can't tell you how many times I've gotten a pitch for services that my agency already provides. Pretty awkward for them and a waste of time and money for all of us. Always make the time to research and investigate every prospect. Whether you're dealing with a real estate agent, a construction company, a marketing agency, or etc., you need to first understand their unique business model, their actual pain points, and what they're specifically looking to achieve right now. Once you've done your research and accurately assessed your findings, you'll be far better able to approach the sales process with the proper mindset, positioning yourself as the expert who truly understands their unique challenges. Trust me, the more you know about the goal, the problem, or need, the more confidence you'll have when preparing your pitch and when you finally face off with the prospect. Now that we've done our homework, it's time to define exactly what the prospect presently needs. What's their goal? What problem are they trying to solve right now? Now, this is crucial. If you don't know the problem, how can you offer a solution? If you don't know the goal, How can you achieve it? If you don't know the need, how can you satisfy it? So let's say your prospect's main concern is cost. Well, then offering them the same package at full price isn't going to cut it. If their biggest problem is slow media delivery turnaround times, then you must focus your sales pitch in a way that clearly illustrates how you will guarantee them quicker results every time. This strategy step is all about clarity. The more precise you are in identifying their precise pain points, the more confident you'll be in your approach and throughout the entire client relationship. When you know exactly what they must have, your pitch will resonate with far greater results. And always remember this: it's not so much about what we do for them, but most importantly, it's how we make them feel. The last thing you need is to waste their time and yours by offering something irrelevant. So get it right, and you'll set yourself up for the ultimate close and sustained drone business success. Now, this is where your drone meets the sky. We're going to create the perfect pitch. And this is your golden opportunity to shine by showing the prospect that you're the best solution to their problem. You want to start by framing your pitch as a problem-solution approach. If they're worried about costs, well, show them how you can give them more value for the money. If they need faster turnaround times, pitch your efficiency. If they need creative direction, talk about how you can help them elevate their brand. The key here is to logically and accurately align your offering with their goals, problems, and needs. When you make this happen, you're not only going to feel more confident in your pitch delivery, but your prospect will trust you more because they'll see you've clearly done your research and understandably presented the proof to back it up. They'll recognize that you're not just selling a service, you're partnering with them by offering a perfectly tailored solution. And now, an urgent warning. Don't ever be too pushy. When you're trying to win over a client, it's important to be professionally persistent, but don't rush the relationship. Mentorship or client relationships take time to develop. Sure, you want to close the deal right now. We all do. But if you push too hard, you'll lose the prospect faster than you can say DJI. Here's the breakdown. Fools rush in. Don't play the fool. You want to be enthusiastic, but you also want to come off as a seasoned professional. Don't shower your prospect with a constant stream of emails or redundant follow-ups. Show them respect by giving them the space they need to process what you've presented. Patience is a virtue. Understand that the decision-making process takes a minute. Clients might need to talk to other vendors. They might need to talk to partners or check their budget, and that's okay. Respect that too. Don't be creepy, sketchy, or a stalker. I mean, this sounds extreme, but I've seen it happen. Repeated messages or showing up at their office uninvited won't win you any points. Keep it professional. Treat every prospect the exact same way you like to be treated. Remember, building deep trust and embracing true love takes time. When you take a step back, show respect and allow things to unfold naturally. Your prospects will appreciate your professionalism, and that's when you'll really close the deal. All right, let's take a quick break and answer a viewer's question. This one comes from Sarah in Austin, Texas, who asks, How do you approach finding the right mentor in a niche industry like drone piloting? Great question, Sarah. And here's my advice. Start by looking at who's active in the drone community. Whether that's on social media, industry events, or forums, connect with people. Mentorship doesn't have to be formal either. Some of the best advice I've gotten has come from casual conversations with people I admire in the drone space. Also, look for mentors who specialize in your niche. If you're focusing on real estate, well, find a mentor with experience in that area. It'll help you grow faster when you've got someone who understands the specifics of your target market. Also, shout out to Kyle in Denver, who's been crushing it by working with a mentor in the real estate space. Keep it up, Kyle. So here's your takeaway. Winning over your drone clients isn't just about being lucky. It's about strategy. Do your homework, define your goals, and create a sales pitch that speaks directly to their goals, problems, and needs. If you do this, you will close deals faster and build long-term relationships. And don't forget to check all the relevant links in today's show liner notes, and be sure to subscribe to the Drone Pilot MBA podcast for more tips on growing your drone business. Follow me on social media for even more insights. And if you're ready to take your drone business to the next level, check out all the resources, over 180 articles at aerialnorthwest.com. Until next time, much love and keep on droning. Looks good. I like it. I like it. I like it. To more profitably thrive. Do I have lint on the shirt? Because last time I had like a really crazy hair on my shirt most of the time. Managing invoices, tracking expenses, and filing taxes. As a soldier, you're in the thick of it. Testing 1, 2. Test, are your ears bleeding? You're juggling flights. Do we have like balls? I could do some juggling if you want to. As a sole drone, throw the ball and I could juggle. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you'd like to hire us, you can get more information by visiting aerialnorthwest.com. Be smart, safe, and fly responsibly.